Ladies, are you tired of dull, dry, sensitive skin that makes you look older than you feel? Then I've got a two-step skincare routine that's going to absolutely transform the way your skin looks, feels, and behaves. All it takes is two simple but powerful skincare products that will help transform your skin from dull, dry, flaky, sensitive skin into glowing, nourished, and hydrated skin that some people have said looks instantly 10 years younger. If we haven't met before, my name is Renee. I have dry, sensitive skin myself. I actually had eczema on the backs of my hands. I created this coconut oil skincare line to help nourish and prevent eczema flare-ups, dry skin, flaky skin. I even use it on my face, which is super sensitive. And this two-step skincare routine, I absolutely swear by. I've been using it for the last 11 years and have helped hundreds, if about thousands of customers at this point help transform their skincare routine from a 15-step skincare routine to a two-step skincare routine using organic coconut oil in their routine every single day. If you're wondering about, but doesn't coconut oil clog the pores, breakouts, all that kind of stuff, I'll put resources down below to help you understand how coconut oil can help your skin, how Vogue has said it's a must-have oil in your skincare routine. That was just last year, they said that in 24. And then other articles have come out and said that it works better than benzoyl peroxide when it comes to preventing acne, and it helps to nourish the skin better than harsh products like BHAs and AHAs. Here you can see me using the polish on my hand, but in the shower you can actually use it head to toe. I usually start with it at my face every single day. I wash my face, take makeup off, you can shave with it, start at your face, work your way all the way down. It's like a spa treatment in your shower. It's amazing. So the sugar gently lifts the dull, dry skin cells, and then that coconut oil absorbs into the skin to nourish and hydrate and help your skin age better and help your skin with anti-aging benefits by working together with your skin to help reveal what's already there. Your healthy, nourished, hydrated skin is just waiting to be unveiled. Now this step is very important. You want to do it every day or every other day because it is sugar, is very gentle on the skin. It's not harsh on the skin. So that way you're consistently keeping your skin hydrated and glowing. There's no gaps in your skincare routine. I've noticed it works the best when it's daily. And then make sure you rinse it off with lukewarm water and pat dry it. You don't want to over dry your hands because then you might accidentally strip your skin of moisture or transfer the oil onto your towel. So just pat dry everywhere and leave your skin slightly damp. That's another little trick that makes a big difference. And step 2 is the mango butter and coconut oil face and body cream. Yes, it's both. So it's just a pea-sized amount. It will lock and seal in the moisture. You can see I'm using it on my hand again. This is giving it that instant youthful glow. I had a customer say, my skin looks 10 years younger, and I just tried it once, which is pretty phenomenal. But mango butter helps to plump and nourish and seal in fine lines. It helps the skin to look younger. It calms dry, itchy skin instantly. It keeps dry, itchy skin at bay all day. So if you have a tendency to have that kind of skin type, this will help tremendously. It's amazing for the calves, especially this time of year with shorts and tank tops, and preventing like the dry, flaky skin from appearing, which is a nuisance. That just helps to prevent it when you use it with the face and body polish. In fact, I've done videos in the past. Byrdie actually said that it was a low-key, under-the-radar, natural anti-aging ingredient. They've since taken down the article. I don't know why, but I have a screenshot of it somewhere. I'll try and find it and show it here before they took it down. But it is phenomenal. I absolutely swear by this two-step skincare routine, and I think you will too. If you want to learn more on how you can incorporate this into your daily routine or your lifestyle, how can it benefit your skin, I invite you to take my skincare quiz. I'll put the links down below so that we can check it out and fill out a couple questions. It takes like 60 seconds, if that. And then based on your answers, it will give you suggestions on which scent, which products you should use. I always recommend the 2, so that way it's a complete powerhouse for your whole face and body routines. Again, so you don't have to use a 15-step skincare routine. And make sure to check out this video next, and I will catch you in the next video.